Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install the Judge.me product reviews app on your Shopify store step by step. So adding reviews can help build trust with shoppers and give you useful customer feedback. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, I want you to open your Shopify admin dashboard and look at the menu on the left. Then from there, click apps. And once the app section opens, use the search bar and type judge.me review. You may see several suggestions, so make sure you choose the correct judge.me review app from the results. So after selecting the app, you'll be taken to its app page where you can check the available information. And from here, click the install button to begin adding it to your store. And then Shopify may ask you to confirm the installation, so review the prompt and continue to install the app. And once the installation is complete, Judge.me should open inside your Shopify dashboard, and you'll then see the setup page for the app. Follow the instructions shown on the screen to complete the integration and connect Judge.me properly with your products. So take your time going through each setup step so everything is configured correctly. So after finishing the setup, Judge.me product reviews app will be installed on your Shopify store, and you can begin using it to display customer reviews and feedback. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.